Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove game files from Steam tool. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So there's a few steps in order to do this. So go ahead and open up Steam and then click onto library, make sure to sign in. And now go ahead and click on right click on the game you want to remove. So for example, I want to do Risk Global Domination. I'm going to right click this, and then from here I want to click on or hover over manage, then uninstall the game, and then just confirm when asked. This removes the main game files stored by Steam, but there are some leftover files after this, so mods, configs or saves. So from here, close out of Steam, open up your directory, then from here click onto your C drive, then program files 86, and then look for Steam, double click on Steam, then click onto Steamapps, then click onto common, and then just go ahead and delete the folder for the game you removed. So because I chose Risk Global Domination, I'm going to click onto that and then delete that.